In a quaint village, people whispered about the Hiccup Spirit. Legend said it visited those who dared to question life's mysteries. One night, a curious young man pondered, "Why do we hiccup?" Suddenly, he felt a jolt in his chest. Each hiccup echoed like a distant laugh. He rushed to the village elder, who revealed, "The spirit seeks answers too. It's drawn to seekers of truth." The young man embraced his hiccups, realizing they were a sign of his quest for knowledge. As he hiccuped, he smiled, knowing he was not alone. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.